I understand most of you all use Capcut. Capcut is that one go editing app on the phone for almost every creator out there, new generation editors. Yes, but there are too many ads going on right now, and they really want most people to go ahead and start using the Pro version. As you can see right now, I'm on Capcut, but you can see ads that currently displaying on my screen. So I have to click to cancel Capcut, and you have to click and cancel so many times before you get your CapCut being opened, right? Now, if you click on, let's say you want to start a new project, you want to do something on CapCut, like I'm just going to import this video to start a project right now and show you some things, right? Let's go to like text, you want to do captioning and things like that. You see, we have captions that are now almost all paid. Almost everything on CapCut right now is paid version. We don't have the free anymore. Now, let me just quickly explain and show you how you can prevent or stop this whole issue with ads being popping up once you want to use CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is turn off your Wi-Fi, your data, I mean your internet, anything you're using accessing the internet. Once there's no internet, once you turn them off, you open CapCut, you're just gonna go straight to CapCut and you're not gonna have those issues. But for the Pro version, you just have to just pay for the Pro version and keep using CapCut. Else, you can use the free tools and templates and things like that on CapCut, and that should help you. If you did, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, bye for now.